I don't want to be rich. Not like that anyways. You know what I'm talking about. The guy's always showing off. He's always got the faster car. He's always one-upping everybody. The guy that's always got to show you his newest, latest, greatest, whatever thing that he's getting and buying and purchasing. You know, the guy who's got to show and tell everybody how rich he is by all the stuff he's buying. He's always got the bigger house. He's always got the better car. He's always got the bigger boat. He's always got that, the prettier girl. He's always got something going on. I don't want to be rich like that. Everybody's talking about how rich people are jerks and that people with money probably stepped on somebody to get it. They probably lied or cheated, or they probably stole it. They probably inherited it from their mommy and daddy. You know what I'm talking about. That's the rich people that most people think about when they think about being rich. It's no wonder that nobody's accumulating any money nowadays, because all these negative connotations towards money and being rich. Like, I don't want to be rich like that. And so if you're with me, comment below. Do you want to be rich like that? And I guess there's nothing wrong with it if that's your deal, but that's not my deal. I do not want to be rich like that. I do want to be wealthy though, which reminds me of a story of a guy I once knew. He actually was an older gentleman and very humble guy, you'd think anyways. He had a nice house. It was a modest home in a nice, modest neighborhood. Wasn't super over the top or extravagant. And he was a very strong spiritual leader. He had a great family. His family was good friends with, I know, his daughters, and just a really good, strong man. In fact, a lot of people looked up to him. A lot of people went to him for counsel about spiritual things, emotional things, life in general. And then one day he was invited to speak. And I don't remember what the venue was, but I do remember that he revealed that he was a millionaire. And I was like, wait, what? You're a millionaire? He actually pulled out a stack of cash. Like, I think it was 10 grand. Like, it was pretty amazing. And he was talking about how he had accumulated enough wealth to become a millionaire, but that wasn't his focus in life. His focus in life was these other things, the family, doing meaningful things, and using that wealth as a resource to be able to go make a change in the world, whether that's in your church, whether that's in the political scene, whether that's in your health. I mean, one of the things that inspired me to do was to go and get my MBA. Not that MBA. The MBA I'm talking about is a massive bank account. I want to have a massive bank account. I want to become wealthy, but I want to be so wealthy that nobody knows. I want to have nice things, sure, but I don't have to show off with the fanciest car. I don't have to have the biggest house on the block. I don't have to have a daggum golden toilet in my house to prove that I'm so wealthy. I mean, if I have to prove stuff like that, what does that say about me? And anyways, I do definitely want to create and build a massive bank account. If you would like to have a massive bank account, put in the comments below. Comment below, I want an MBA, or I want to get my MBA. In fact, while you're on your way to the comments, hit like and subscribe. I've heard that's the best way to get an MBA, to get a massive bank account, is to become more financially literate by listening to videos on my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe. I'm not a millionaire yet, but I am on the road. I have a significant passive income. It's 6 figures. I have a positive net worth, and my net worth actually is 6 figures, and it's growing every month. I keep track every month. So make sure you subscribe to this channel as I'll go through how I'm building my net worth, how I'm building my massive bank account. And if you want to know how to build a massive bank account, then this is the place for you. I hope that you realize that there's a difference between being rich and being wealthy. To me, somebody who's rich is showing it off. They are the jerk. And somebody who's wealthy is one of those guys that you would never know. I'll leave you with this saying: money doesn't make you, it reveals you, and then it magnifies you. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.